Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. Not in today's newspaper of Friday, July the 14th, 2023. No, it's actually in the additional of Tuesday, last Tuesday, July the 11th. Yes, we have 3 puzzles left. I've print those out in the. I've print this out on paper. The original newspaper I have thrown away. Yes, unfortunately, but I can print this out. It's no problem. We have 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, and tectonic. Yeah, the tectonic. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, only 2 regular puzzles: the Sudoku Light and a heavy Sudoku. And it's time for the letter Sudoku of the newspaper last Tuesday, July the 11th. Yes, 2023, and this will be a number 6752. Yeah, 6752. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. 27 printed letters. Yeah. For letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. The letters that I can use are 9 unique letters. In this case, the N, the K, the A, the G, the E, the R, the F, the W, and the I. And the goal is to solve this word in the last row. It's a Dutch word. If I've solved this, I will translate this in English. Alright. Okay. How about the I in the first row? I in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the I should be there. We have an I in the first column, I in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the I should be here. Or there, we see an I in this row, no I there. I should be there. I in this row, I in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the I should be here. Or there, we see an I in the last column, no I there. I should be there. And now I cannot continue with I. How about the N? The N in this column, the N in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the N should be here. Or there, we see an N in this row, no N there. N should be there. We have N in the last column, the N in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the N should be here. Or there, we see an N in this row, no N there. N should be there. And in the last row, and in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the N should be there. And in the third column, and in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 places left for the N should be here, here, or there. We see an N in this row, no N there. And then in that row, so no N there. So the only place left for the N should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the N's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter N. Then. How about? How about the W? Yeah. 3 missing letters in the first row. One of the missing letters is the W. We have a W in this big square, so no W in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the W in the first row. Should be there. W in the first column, W in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the W should be there. W. Well, 2 missing letters in the first row. For letters, E is missing. And E is missing and the K is missing. E and a K. We have an E in this column. No E there. E should be here. K goes there. E in the last column. E in the column next on that column. There are only 3 places left for the E. Should be here, or there. We see an E in this row. No E there. Here an E in the last row. No E there. So the only place left for the E. I should be there. Need the E here. E in this row, E in the middle row, so on the row above the only 2 places left for the E should be here, or there. We see an E in this column, no E there. E should be there. Need the E there. Cannot continue with the E. We have a K in this row, K in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the K should be here, or there. We see a K in this column, no K there. K should be there. G, the E, G, E, and A is missing, the A, yeah, need the A here. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the A. We have an A in this column, so no A in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A in this big square. Should be there. A in the first row, A in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the A. Should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. F is missing. And R is missing. F and the R. We have an F in this third row, so no F there. F should be there, and R goes down. We have a pair, the R and the K in the first row. No. The R and the W in the first row. We have an R and a W in the third row. So on the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the R and the W goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square, the letter E is missing. And G is missing, E and a G. We have an E in the middle column, no E there. E should be here and a G goes there. Need a G here. And I need a here. Yeah, we have a pair again. The A and the G in this column. The A and the G in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the A and the G goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. A and a G, A and a G. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. E is missing and the F is... No, we have F here. E is missing and... G is missing. E and a G. Yeah, E and the G. We have an E in the third column. No E there. E should be here and the G goes there. 2 missing letters in this column for letters. A is missing. Need an A here. And an R is missing. A and an R. We have an A in the middle row, so no A there. A should be here and an R goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. F is missing. G is missing. F and a G. We have a G in this row. No G there. G should be here. F goes there. G. 2 missing letters in this. No. 2. We have here the third one. Yeah, the W. Alright, 2 missing letters in the first column for letters. A is missing. And the A and the R is missing. A and R. A-R. So the other pair in this big square are the letters. F is missing and the G is missing. F and the G. Alright. How about here? W is missing, and R is missing. W and R. W and R. Ah. So we have a pair here. This is R and a W. R and a W. That means one letter is missing in this column. Should be the letter K is missing here. The K. Need a K here in this column. Need a K. Alright. K. Yeah. K in this column, K in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the K. Should be here or there. We see a K in this row. No K there. K could be here. Could be there. Same for the letter I in this column, I in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the I. Should be here or there. We see an I in this row, no I there. So the I goes together with the K as a pair. K and I. Need the F here. W. F and W is missing. F and a W. Well, we have here 5 missing letters. In this big square, one of the missing letters is a W. We have a W in this row, so no W in these 3 boxes. So W could be here, could be there. W in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, W in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the W should be here or there. You see a W in this row, no W there. W should be there. Need a W here. Alright, here we need an I in this column, I in the last column, I in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for that I should be here. Here we have 2 missing letters, the K and the I. We have an I now in the last row, so no I there. I should be here. K goes there. Okay. So we have an I here. I there. Do we have all the I's? And all the I's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter I. How about the K? Yeah, K in the last row, K in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the K should be here or there. You see a K in this column, no K there. K should be there. K in this column, last column, K in the column next on that column, the only place left for the K should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the K's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter K. Ay. Need an A here. A. G. Need a G here. G. A, G, and F is missing here. The F is missing. Well, this box, we need an R in this row. This box can be an R because we have an R in this big square, so no R there. Here can be an R because we have an R in one of these 2 boxes in this column, so no R there. Here can be an R because we have an R in the second column, so no R there. So the only place left for the R should be here. And 1 box left in the first column for the letter A. Alright. Okay. So the F, the G, and the R is missing. R should be 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the R. We have R in this row, so no R in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the R should be there. So 2 missing letters here, the F and the G. F and the G. Well, I need to wait. 2 missing letters in the middle column for letters. F is missing and the W is missing. We have a W in this row, so no W here. So the only place left for the W should be there. And the F is missing in the middle row column, so the F should be there. So here we have the R and the W. Yeah, let me mark those. Here we have also a pair, the R and the W. That means 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter F. Alright. So the A and the G are missing here now. A and the G. And here also no A, G, and F. How about here? F and the G is missing. F and the G. F and the G. Well, here can be an A because we have an A here in this column. Here can be an A because we have an A in this big square. So no A there. So the only place left for the A in this row should be there then. Alright, so 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter G now. 1 letter is missing in this row for the letter A. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. F is missing and the G is missing. F and the G. Need to wait. F and the G. Still not finished. Here also F and the G. We have a F in this row, so no F there. F should be here. And the G goes there. Now 1 box left in this big square for letter G. F and the G, we have a G in the last row. No G there. G should be here. And the F goes there. Almost finished. 1 box left in this row for number. I believe the R is missing here. Yeah, the R. R and the W, we already have an R here in the middle row, so no R there. R should be here. W goes there. R and the W, we have a W in this column, no W there. W should be here, and the R goes there. And 2 missing letters in this big square for the W, and F is missing. Well, we have a W in the middle row, no W there. W should be there, and the F goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. And the word is afwerking. Afwerking. In English, the finishing. Yeah, finishing. Well, finishing touch. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.